Welcome back from recess, kiddos. Give you guys a few minutes. Bring your water bottles to your desks if you would like. I hope you already used the bathroom. Recess time is the perfect time to use the restroom before you go play or before you get back to class. So I'm gonna give you guys a few seconds to get situated before I start this part of the lesson. You can go ahead and put it on your desk. It's fine. Alright, it looks like you guys are all ready. Remember, before I start this lesson, we're going to have 0 voice level. Okay, remember when you go like this, 0 voice levels. Okay, so are we ready? Alright, so part of this lesson deals with Dr. Seuss's Green Eggs and Ham. Raise your hand if you have read the book or seen the movie or the video. You have? It's one of your favorites? Oh, it's one of my favorites too. So a few of you have and a few of you haven't, and that's totally okay. We're going to get to go over it today. Okay, so this lesson, we're going to watch the video. And then you guys, part of the lesson is you guys are going to be able to retell the story of Green Eggs and Ham. You'll be able to pick out the important details that are important to you. So not everybody's going to have the same details, okay? And then you're also going to let me know what you think the message of the story is, okay? So, has anybody ever tried green eggs and ham? I haven't, but my son has, and I'm kind of jealous of that. So this is our objective. Students are going to be able to retell the story in a sequence using the key details and to demonstrate understanding of the message. Okay, there's Dr. Seuss. No. All right, are you guys ready? Make sure during the video, no one talks, okay? 0 voices. Here we go.
Oh, I frequently think every now and then of the glorious fruit of the noble hen. Eggs! Eggs! E-double-G-S eggs. My knowledge of eggs is tremendously wide. I've eaten them boiled, I've eaten them fried, poached and shirred and deviled and scrambled, omelette, schmommelets, coddled and frambled. I've eaten them beaten and swizzled and swazzled, frizzled, cadizzled, bamboozled and fuzzled. I know every way that an egg can be guzzled. And thinking of eggs reminds me of Sam, whose favorite dish is green eggs and ham.
I am Sam. Sam I am. That Sam I am, that Sam I am. I do not like that Sam I am. Do you like green eggs and ham? I do not like them, Sam I am. I do not like green eggs and ham.
He does not like them, Sam I am. He doesn't like green eggs and ham.
Would you like them here? Or there?
I would not like them here. Or there. I would not like them anywhere. I do not like green eggs and ham. I do not like them, Sam I am.
He doesn't like green eggs and ham. He doesn't like them.
Would you like them in a house? Would you like them with a mouse?
I would not like them in a house. I would not like them with a mouse. I would not like them here or there. I would not like them anywhere.
Green eggs and ham. He doesn't like green eggs and ham. He doesn't like them. He doesn't like green eggs and ham.
Would you eat them in a box? Would you eat them with a fox?
No, not in a box, not with a fox. Not in a house, not with a mouse. I would not eat them here or there. I would not eat them anywhere. Yuck. I would not eat green eggs and ham. I do not like them, Sam, I am.
Would you, could you, in a car? Eat them, here they are.
I would not, could not in a car.
You may like them, you will see. You may like them in a tree.
I would not, could not in a tree, not in a car. Now let me be. Not in a box, not with a fox, not in a house, not with a mouse. I would not like them here or there. I would not like them anywhere. I do not like green eggs and ham. I do not like them, Sam, I am.
Sam, oh Sam, oh Sam, I am. He doesn't want him, doesn't need him, wouldn't touch him, wouldn't eat him, wouldn't like him here or there. Or anywhere.
Could you, would you, on a train?
No, not on a train, not in a tree, not in a car. Sam, let me be. Not in a box, not with a fox. Not with a mouse, not in a house. Not here or there, not anywhere.
In the dark? Here in the dark? Would you, could you, in the dark?
Oh, I would not, could not in the dark.
Would you, could you, in the rain?
I would not, could not in the rain. Not in the dark, not in a train. Not in a car, not in a tree. I would not like them, Sam, you see.
Would you, could you, with a goat?
I would not, could not with a goat. I will not eat them here or there. I would not eat them anywhere.
You think he's pretty frustrated already? Maybe just a little bit, huh?
Would you, could you, on a boat?
I would not on a boat. I will not with a goat. Not in the rain, not on a train.
Soaking wet.
Phew.
How did you dry off so fast? Oh, goodness.
You do not like them, so you say. Try them,
did
and
you
you
get it
may. Try them, and you may, I say.
Magic?
Sam, if you will let me be, I will try them, and you will see.
Scrumptious, huh, you guys?
Ooh.
You think you like some?
Oh, say! I like green eggs and ham. I do. I like them, Sam, I am. And I would eat them in a boat, and I would eat them with a goat, and I will eat them in the rain, and in the dark, and on a train, and in a car, and in a tree. They are so good, you see. So I will eat them in a box, and I will eat them with a fox.
He's gonna eat them everywhere, huh? Yeah.
He will eat them in a box, and he will eat them with a fox.
and he will eat them in a house, and he will eat them with a mouse, and he will eat them here or there. Say he will eat them
I know you guys are excited, but I would imagine 0 level.
I do
Voices,
so
okay,
like
guys?
green eggs and ham. Thank you, Sam I am.
Did you guys enjoy it? Or whoever hasn't seen it? Or even if you have seen it, you probably still like it, right? So what happened at the end? He ended up liking it, right?
Oh, I frequent.
Alright, so this is important for the next part of this lesson, guys, okay? These are your transition words. Basically, transition words are telling from the middle, or the beginning to the middle to the end. It's important because these connect your ideas. So if you start out with Sam asking him if he would like to try green eggs and ham for the first time, you would say, first, Sam asked asked Cat in the Hat if he would like to try green eggs and ham. Then you would tell the next story or next event, and then finally he decides to try green eggs and ham. So that these are important for connecting ideas, and it also tells the sequence of a story. So the order of events, or the order of what happens in the story. So these are going to be very important to this part of the lesson, or this lesson, because you need to be able to understand when to use them in a sentence and which ideas would go with them. Okay, because you don't want to say first he said he would try green eggs and ham, because that's not the first thing that happened. It would be the last thing that happened, and you could say finally for that. Okay. So this is your transition chart. You guys have a copy of it. The next part of the lesson, we will be filling out a web organizer. I will read the book to you again. So during that time, you guys will be able to write important details that you think are important. You don't have to have the same answer as everybody else. So as I read, I will show you pictures, and you guys will be able to write the details that you want. That's in your web organizer, okay? But for now, this is important in telling a story in the sequence and to connect your ideas, okay? Yes, Susie, you may go to the bathroom. Yeah, so does anybody understand what the story means? What do you think the message of the story was? Yeah, it could be that. Oh, that's a good one too. Yeah, so you guys will have your chance to tell what you think the message of this story is at the end of this lesson, okay? I'm so excited to read all your responses, and that is it.